guys, I figured I'd do another video for you. I've had a few people ask me how to do the lever knitting method if you're using the non-really long straight needles. So in this case, I'm using circular needles or any kind of shorter needle that you don't want to hold in your armpit to keep the stationary needle stationary. So I figured I'd show you kind of how I do this. So anyway, in this technique I hold the needle like a pencil, so kind of like this. So your leverage is held tight between these two fingers here. So let me kind of show you here. You wrap the yarn the same way, so between these two fingers, around here, and then like this. And then you're going to hold the needle like a pencil. And so your tension, you notice your yarn is just straight up from the needle. Not like this or like this, but just straight up like that. So again, between these two fingers, around this finger, like that. And then you grip your needle like a pencil. And then kind of come around like this. Get going a bit here, so I'm knitting here, so. Oh, and then you're kind of holding it the same angle too. So holding it a pencil, keep like this needle is straight up, and then you're just going to come around and then come down like that. So straight in, around, grip the needle here, and then you're going to pull off and move this one here. Okay, so knitting here, straight in, come around, come off, and down. In, around, here. And the key is you're kind of tensioning here, so you're kind of gripping the yarn between these two fingers, and the needle is, you're gripping here and it's kind of pushing against your hand here, and then you're able to hold this yarn tight. So come around and then if you're purling, it's really the same way. You just bring your yarn around to the front and in and around, in and down, in, around, in and down. And then knitting, move your yarn to the back. Okay, and then one more time, show you how to wrap the yarn between these two fingers, around and here, and then grip your needle. And then as you're moving your work down, you just kind of keep your thumb under the work this way. And then in, around. So it's really a very similar technique to when you're using the long needles and it's stuck in your armpit, but that way you can use your circular needles. So thanks a lot.